Hello, friends. Good evening, everyone, and hope you are all well and preparing for your examination. So, here already the update was there from the video that you can download your hall ticket. It's only for final year backlog paper, final year, and the area paper also. So what you have to do, the procedure that is just same procedure you have to follow, guys. You have to just open the PR exam. So guys, you have to type either if you type also prexam.vtu.ac.in, it will get redirected to prexam.blr.vtu.ac.in, or you can directly type the prexam blr.vtu.ac.in. So you have the here option called UG exam application form. Click on that. Once open, you'll be able to see the portal that is stating that hall ticket of 8th semester students is available. Hall ticket for 5th and 7th semester, that too OTS student, one time exit scheme students are available. Hall ticket for area students is also available. So only these three category of the student, they are going to log in and download their hall tickets. So other guys don't you will be not allowed to log in for further. So what you have to do, you have to just, as usual, you have to click on a student link. Don't try to log in other guys like whoever going to in 3rd semester, or whoever going to the 5th semester, or whoever entering into the 7th semester. If you have backlog, that means area, then only if you have applied, guys. Mainly the thing is that you have applied. Even if you have backlog, that means area, and you have not applied, then it will give you the error that you cannot log in. So let's check the login. So I'll click on a student. So as usual, you have to enter here your USN number and your password what we have given during the registration time. So guys, once you logged in successfully, it will give you the message that you have logged in successfully. You have to click on OK. So guys, once you log in, you can see there on the dashboard already you have earlier uploaded the application, photo was uploaded, application finalized has been done by the college approval, and also the college has approved. The last time we will be getting the message that application pending to be approved from the college. So now it is application is approved by the college, and you can see guys here your hall ticket. So you have to click on here download hall ticket. So remember guys, you have to click on download hall tickets. So as you click on, you will be able to download the. So guys, once you download, it will be this URL will be opening, and you will get here to save your PDF format. So as of now the URL is not opening. I think might be it is already I have downloaded, that's why the second time I'm not sure that they will allow or not to download. So already I have the download copy. I'll show you. So you can see here guys, already this hall ticket I have downloaded is the same as we usually get into the college when we apply for the examination. So that's all for today guys, and if you have any question, please put in the comment box. We'll be happy to answer you all. And I request everyone, if you have not subscribed my channel still, please click on this subscribe button, and you can subscribe, and you can on all the bell notification icon, so you'll be receiving all the notification from our site whenever we upload the videos. And one more thing, so many guys has requested that how we can do in mobile. So I'll just give you the hints also in mobile how we can open, because when you open this website on mobile, it will not allow you to open. It will ask you to use the desktop. So that's all for today guys, and please you can just log in and download your hall tickets. So others guys, like as I mentioned, first year who has promoted into the now 3rd semester, and the second year, that is 4th semester, which has promoted to the 5th semester, and 3rd year, that means 6th semester, who has promoted to the 7th semester. So still the hall ticket there is no option, because you all are going to be promoted. So only you are going to download the hall ticket in case you have any arrear or backlog and you have applied for the examination. So only those guys you are going to log in and download your hall ticket. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.